These people all have one thing in common with you. Their power bills. Oh man, what is this? With a Lockhart FX geo-exchange system, you could save big money on your next power bill. Find out how you can save 75 to 85% on your next heating and cooling bill with
Lockhart.ca.
The Lockhart Heat FX geo-exchange system is up to 700% efficient compared to other heating systems and are noted for the lowest maintenance and longest lasting heating systems on the market. The Lockhart Heat FX system pays for itself while putting up to $100,000 in your back pocket over its lifespan.